Children, this is Subhar Arparaj, handling 6th Mathematics, Chapter 8 Decimals. In this chapter, we are going to learn Exercise 8.1, Part 2. In this video, we are going to learn the topics are decimals as fractions and Exercise 8.1, Part 2. Now we are going to learn decimals as fractions. A decimal number is another way to write a fraction that has a denominator of 10, 100 or 1000 and so on. For example, we can write 7 by 10 as 0.7 and read it as 7 tenths, and we can write 7 by 100 as 0.07 and read it as 7 hundredths. Now, decimals are related to fraction. Let us see. This picture indicated there are 10 portions are equal. Here, only one portion is shaded. Now we can write as fraction, that is 1 by 10. Now we want to find the decimals. If we have 1 by 10 means we'll get 0.1. Let us see another picture. Here three portions are shaded and total we have 10 portions. So we can write as fraction, that is 3 by 10. Let us see the decimals. Yes, that is 0.3. Convert fraction into decimals. Already we learned in the first part. Now let us do it. Yes, first one 8 by 10. When you are going to divide by 10, we have to move the decimal point from right to left. So what is that answer? That is 0.8. Then second one 16 by 10. Here also we are going to place the decimal from right to left. That means 1.6. Then third one 33 divided by 100 equal to, what is that answer? So here we have 100, isn't it? So we have to move two places from right to left because we have two zero in the denominator. That is 0.33. And fourth one 118 divided by 100. Here also we have 100, that is as denominator. Now we are going to divide. That means division means we have to place the decimal point from right to left. That is here we have two zeros. So we can place the decimal point after two digits from right to left. So what is that answer? That is 1.18. And fifth one 8 by 1000. Here we have three zeros. So we have to place the decimal from right to left after third place. So here we have only one digit. So we can add how many digits? We have to add two digits, isn't it? So 0.008. Then sixth one 4848 divided by 1000. 1000 means we have to place the decimal after three digit from right to left. So here what is that answer? That is 4.848. Now we are going to represent the decimal numbers on a number line. First draw a number line. We can write 0, 1 In between, we are going to divide 10 portions. That is equally we can divide 10 portions. Now we want to find the colored portions. So first, what is that one? So we can start from 0, then 0 0.1, 0 0.2, then 0.3. And we want to find that is next colored line, that is what is that one? So 0 0.4, 0 0.5, 0 0.6 and 0.7. Now we want to find after 1, isn't it? Yes, that is 1.1, then we can get 1.2. We are going to see the book solved examples, that is 8.5. Write the following decimals as fraction in their lowest form. Second sum 3.5. Solution 3.5 means we can write 3 plus, we can write it as fraction. That is 5 by 10 means you will get zero point 0.5, isn't it? So write 5 by 10. Now we have whole number plus fraction. Consider this mixed fraction, isn't it? Then we can multiply with whole number into denominator plus numerator. So 3 tens are 30 plus 5 divided by 10. When you add the numerator, 30 plus 5 will get 35 divided by 10. So when you simplify, we want to find the HCF of 35 and 10. That is 5. We can get 7 5s are 35 and 2 5s are 10. So now we get simplest form or lowest form, that is 7 by 2. Examples 8.5. Write the following decimals as fraction in their lowest form. Fourth sum, fourth sum 5.25. Now we want to find the answer. We can write 5.25. We can write whole number is 5 and 25 is a decimal, isn't it? Decimal portion. Now we want to write as fraction. So 5 plus 25 divided by 100. Now we are going to multiply the whole number and the denominator, then add numerator. So 5 into 100, 500 plus 25 divided by 100. Now we are going to add the numerator, 500 plus 25, 525 divided by 100. So what is that HCF of 100 and 525? That is 25. So how many 25s are 525? That is 21. And how many 25s are 100? That is 4. So we'll get simplest form. Is there any common factor? No. So we can write 21 by 4. Exercise 8.1. That is fill in the blanks. First, second one 0.541. As you know very well about place value, now we are going to write tens, hundreds, thousands. Here, after the 0, we can start 5 as tens, as you know very well, so we can write 5. Then hundreds, isn't it? Then what is that one? We have 4, so write 4 hundreds. Then what about thousands here? That is 1. Then third one 0.07. Here after the decimal point we'll get tens, that is 0. Yes, write it 0. And what about the hundreds? That is 7. Then fourth one 0.902. Here after the decimal point we can start with tens, hundreds, thousand, isn't it? What about tens here? That is 9. What about hundreds? That is 0. What about thousands? That is 2. Now we are going to solve this fill in the blanks. That is Second one 0.89. Now we are going to write expanded form. That means first we can write 0.080, isn't it? Yes. Then what about the next one? That is we have lost, that is 100 digit is what is the one? 9. So we can write 0.09. Now we are going to write the values. That means when the 0 is coming from right side after the decimal point, we have right side, there is no value, so we can write 0.08. Then we can add 0.09. The next one 0.10. Here we have only after the decimal point we'll get 10, isn't it? So we can write 0.10. Then another expanded form, that is 0.00. Now we are going to simplify. So after the decimal point, if you have 0 from right hand side, we'll get no value, so we can write 0.1. Then 0 means you can write 0.0. Exercise 8.1, that is write the following decimals as fraction in their lowest form. Third sum, that is 0.75. Solution. Now we are going to write 0.75 means we can write 75 hundredths. Then that is equal to, we can write in fraction, that is 75 divided by 100. When you simplify, you want to find the HCF of 75 and 100, that is 25. So 3 25s are 75 and 4 25s are 100. We get simplest form, that is our lowest form, 3 by 4. Write the following decimals as fraction in their lowest form, that is 6.4. Now we want to find the answer, isn't it? So 6.4 means 6 is a whole number, that means integral part, and 4 is a that is a decimal part. So we can write 6 plus 0.4 means that is 4 by 10. So here we have whole number and fraction, so we can multiply the whole number in the denominator, then add numerator. So 6 into 10, 60, plus 4 divided by 10, that is 64 by 10. We want to find the lowest form, so we want to find the HCF of 10 and 64, that is 2. So 32 twos are 64 and 5 twos are 10. Is there any common factor? No. Then we can write the lowest form, 32 divided by 5. Write the following decimals as fraction in their lowest form, 8.25. Now we want to find the answer. It is 8.25. Here decimal part is 2 digits. So 8 is a whole number plus 25 divided by 100. So now we want to multiply the whole number in the denominator, then we can add numerator. So 8 into 100, 800 plus 25 divided by 100. When you add the numerator, 825 divided by 100. Now we are going to simplify this answer, isn't it? Then we want to find the HCF of 100 and 825. The HCF is 25. So how many 25s are 825? That is 33. Then 425s are 100. Is there any common factor? No. So we can write 33 divided by 4. That is the lowest form. Write the correct decimal number in the box. That is given number line, that is in between in between 2.0 to 3.0 there are 10 portions, and 3.0 to 4.0 there are 10 portions. So now we want to find the box. What is that number, isn't it? Yes. Then start with left hand side, that is 2.0, then 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, 2.5, isn't it? So the first box we can write 2.5, and the second box we want to find what is that value. That means 3.0 means, then we can start from left, 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4. Likewise we will get 3.9. Write the correct decimal numbers in the box, that is given number line, that is starting from 12.0 to 14.0. Here there are two box. First one is we want to find the number, isn't it? So 12.1, 12.2, 12.3, 12.4, 12.5. Then we want to find another color, the next box, that is 13.1, 13.2, 13.3. Likewise we will get 13.9. These are the answers. Thank you.